today's video where we're looking at the Energizer USB multicolored TV light, mood light, LED. So I'm not sure LED or RGB. Is there a difference between LED and RGB in lighting? So basically, we did review one earlier, and that was a fixed remote on the side. This one comes with a separate remote that's off the controllers lights, and yeah, this is available from B&M for £8. So it has two 50cm LED strips, USB contact, colour changeable, so the RGB, 16 different colours, easy to install on all TVs, and remote controls. So yeah, there's a purple, green, pink, blue. So it's AA plus apparently. So I did do a review earlier of the same product, but it's a bit different, and I'll leave a link somewhere in the corner here, or in this corner, or somewhere in this video. I'll leave a link to that video. This one's wrapped in a plastic baggie. Oh, it's got a box, got a big box on the side, but one didn't. So these are a bit different. And this comes on a reel as well. And it has, will those plug in a PC? I wonder if those actually plug in a PC. So yeah, we've got the remote control. We have the actual USB connection cable or control box. Wonder what that is. Doesn't seem to come off. Oh, that's for the RV. That's for the remote control, isn't it? Yeah. So not much room on that, is there? So let's plug it in and see what we get. So it's sellotaped into this 8mm like reel. I'm just going to cut that combi board, like just take it off, sellotape off. Wow, that's a lot. That is a lot. That's a lot of reel. So I'll plug that in. Obviously that goes in that way. And this one goes in that way where you follow that arrow in. So the two arrows connect on both sides. Two arrows connect. So let's spread these out onto the table as best we can. We've got 3M strips on the back to stick it on with. And let's plug it in and see what we get. Wow, that didn't last long. It just killed my power supply, so I'm going to have to plug these into my computer. Let's be a second. So that's plugged in there, and we have some kind of blue lighting up first. So let's see what we can actually do with this remote control. So I'm going to pull this thing at the bottom. So can I turn the brightness up? Yeah, I can turn the brightness down and the brightness up. and off, on, red, green, blue. Oh, it works over here as well. So we've got red, looks red yellow, green, that looks okay, blue looks okay, orange still looks a bit yellowy, turquoise fine, turquoise mint, purple looks a bit bluey, that orange looks a bit red, that orange even looks yellow, blue looks fine, purple looks a bit too blue, yellow looks green, I'm not sure that's like blue, pink, that looks a bit too bluey, smooth. So this is fading through the lights. Fade. So I've got like a pulsing effect. Strobe. I believe on this one you can actually see 3 different colour lights, so it doesn't look like it's RGB, so it looks like just normal LED with 3 different coloured lights inside each light mount and flash. That one's nice. Let's try it on white. Looks a bit greeny to me. Didn't actually look white. So yeah, are these actually any good, these Energizer ones? Yeah, they're perfectly fine. Obviously you've got this big battery pack attached to it. Are they good as the other Energizer ones available? No. The other ones are a bit lighter, but this one has more control if you seem to be a bit lazy and don't want to get up and switch it over yourself. But yeah, they're totally different from what I can see. I would say the other Energizer mood lighting are actually better than this one, but 2 different applications, aren't there? One you can sit down and turn them off and on, and that one you have to get up and turn them on and off. So yeah, it's up to you which one you want to do, and if you enjoyed this video, please check back for more videos coming soon.